Welcome to our video exploring the casting industry, an ancient craft that continues to thrive with innovation and creativity. Casting, or the process of shaping metal, is an art that blends high temperatures, modern technology, and human skill. From ancient bronze statues to advanced machinery components, casting has played and continues to play a vital role in the development of society. Casting is the art of transforming metal into shape, a process that combines heat, technology, and creativity. From melting metal at extremely high temperatures, pouring it into meticulously designed molds, to producing finished products, every step in the casting process demands precision and dedication from the craftsman. Today, casting technology has reached new heights. Methods such as pressure die casting, centrifugal casting, and investment casting not only produce superior quality products, but also enable countless applications in key fields like the automotive industry, aerospace, and construction. These advanced technologies allow for the creation of precise, durable components tailored to diverse needs. Beyond technological advancements, the casting industry is also leading the way in environmental protection. Metals can be recycled almost indefinitely, conserving resources and reducing carbon emissions. Modern foundries are increasingly adopting renewable energy sources such as hydropower and solar power to minimize their ecological footprint. The combination of advanced techniques and a commitment to sustainability has reshaped the way we perceive this industry. Products from the casting sector are not just the result of creativity and labor, but also a testament to efforts to safeguard the future of our planet. Join me as we explore each step of this meticulous process, from melting metal and mold creation to the final product. Together, we'll witness how technology, human skill, and creativity come together to produce remarkable items that enhance our lives. Casting is more than a profession. It's an art, a tradition, and a leap toward a sustainable future. The casting industry not only focuses on producing high-quality products, but also prioritizes sustainability in every aspect. One of the key highlights is the efficient recycling of metals. Metals such as aluminum, steel, and copper can be recycled almost indefinitely without compromising their quality. This not only helps conserve resources, but also reduces the negative environmental impact, especially in the context of global challenges like climate change and pollution. In addition, the casting industry applies modern technology to optimize production processes. Artificial intelligence, AI, enhances production efficiency, from predicting and resolving issues to optimizing manufacturing processes. 3D printing technology is now used to create precise, cost-effective molds. Moreover, the development of new materials, such as super durable alloys, has contributed to lighter, more durable, and more efficient products in high-end industries like aerospace and automotive. With all these advancements, the casting industry is leading the way in combining manufacturing with environmental protection. Improvements in recycling and resource conservation not only enhance product quality, but also help create a green, responsible industry for the community and future generations. Modern casting is entering a new era with enormous potential for growth. Together, let's delve deeper into the technologies, advancements, and trends that are shaping the future of the casting industry. The forging industry plays a vital role in the manufacturing of durable, high-performance components used in various critical sectors such as automotive, aerospace, energy, and naval industries. Forging is the process of shaping metal using compressive force, creating products that offer superior strength, integrity, and resistance to wear and fatigue. As the demand for more advanced materials and efficient production techniques grows, the forging industry is witnessing significant advancements, particularly in terms of technology, sustainability, and innovation. One of the key drivers behind the evolution of the forging industry is technological innovation. Modern forging companies are embracing cutting-edge techniques to improve efficiency, precision, and quality control. Automation plays a major role in these advancements. Automated systems such as hydraulic presses, robotic manipulators, and CNC, computer numerical control machines, have enhanced the precision and speed of the forging process. These technologies allow manufacturers to create complex components with tight tolerances that meet the rigorous demands of industries like aerospace, automotive, and energy. For example, hydraulic presses with capacities ranging from 2,500 to 8,000 tons can forge large and intricate components, reducing human intervention and ensuring uniformity in the final product. Advanced heat treatment technologies, such as controlled quenching using water or polymer mediums, further enhance the mechanical properties of forged parts, improving their hardness and durability for high-stress applications. The advent of 3D printing has also revolutionized the forging industry by enabling the creation of precise molds and complex geometries that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional methods. This has led to cost savings, reduced lead times, and the ability to manufacture customized parts more efficiently. As industries worldwide face mounting pressure to reduce their environmental impact, sustainability has become a central focus in the forging sector. One of the most significant contributions the forging industry can make to sustainability is through metal recycling. Metals like steel, aluminum, and copper can be recycled almost indefinitely without losing their quality, making it a highly sustainable industry in terms of material usage. The ability to reuse scrap metal reduces the need for virgin materials, helping to conserve natural resources and lower the carbon footprint of the manufacturing process. Many forging companies are also adopting renewable energy sources, such as solar and hydropower, to reduce their dependence on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, advanced manufacturing processes like hot charging, where ingots are heated directly on insulated trucks, help optimize energy consumption and reduce waste during production. Furthermore, forging companies are incorporating more energy-efficient technologies into their operations, such as energy-efficient furnaces and automated systems that reduce energy waste and improve overall process optimization. These efforts align with global initiatives to combat climate change and minimize the environmental impact of industrial activities. The turbine manufacturing and production industry, despite its long history, remains a field that constantly innovates and evolves. Turbines are a crucial component in many industries, particularly in energy, aerospace, and oil and gas. The turbine production process requires a perfect combination of modern technology and precise manufacturing techniques. Starting from the design phase, engineers must carefully calculate and simulate every detail to optimize the performance and durability of the turbine. Once the materials have been selected and processed, casting and forging the components require absolute precision, as any minor error could significantly impact the performance and safety during operation. Modern manufacturing technologies, such as 3D printing and artificial intelligence applications, are helping to optimize the production process, reducing costs, while improving the quality and accuracy of turbine components. New, ultra-durable, and lightweight materials are increasingly being used, allowing turbines to operate more efficiently in harsh environments. In addition to advanced technologies, an important factor that cannot be overlooked is the impact of this industry on the transition to renewable energy. Wind turbines and turbines in the hydro energy sector play a crucial role in the development of clean energy sources. Therefore, the turbine manufacturing and production industry not only meets industrial demands, but also contributes to sustainability and environmental protection. Looking to the future, The turbine manufacturing and production industry will continue to expand, with emerging trends such as the use of renewable energy and smart technologies. This is an industry that is continuously progressing, contributing to the sustainable development of society.